No.
It's like a hamburger. A long time ago, I didn't have money. 35 years ago, I stopped in a pawn shop, and I see one, and it was at the bottom, you know. It's big hamburger, and it was only $150.
Wow.
I mean, but I didn't have the money. And now I see him in California, $6,000.
Wow.
$6,000. I couldn't believe it. Anything today? Did you buy anything? Anything good? Some goodies right here, man. Come on, let's go load the bananas. There's the brown, but it don't do it. I'll pull it out.
Yeah, one of them I got working, but it seemed to develop work. I use a 430 and a 440. I got some Wycom. I just all my.
I just need VHF. I have VHF. I'm on 220.
Hey, that's his truck.
Was he on there last night? I don't know. He's right over here.
Did you drive up or did you come with? Oh, I didn't know if you came with Dave. Hi.
How are you?
How are you? Good.
I can't complain. It doesn't do anything.
No, I know. That's what I always
And my wife tells me to shut up.
Okay, bye.
Oh, hey, this is the last Hamfest of the season.
No, there's another one in August.
Well, August isn't as bad as now.
Turkfest.
It's not as bad.
Oh, that's I haven't seen one of those.
Going on. And I just wrote a Python script to do it by genre. It's awesome. Like I'll do like chamber music, or I'll do 1985 New Age or something like that. I'll go in and I'll log in, do the search, pull all the torrents down, and start loading it. And I just move over the directory of my torrent and load them all up, throw them down. I have 24 of them.
Oh, yeah.
Play with this. What do they do?
And then they end up with hair like this.
Yeah.
They got hair.
Yeah, that was inviting.
Yeah, but talk.
I told them don't touch the horse fence.
It's not very bright.
10 mile
Keep grow
fence.
hair and brains at the same time.
So
And so don't.
God made only so many heads perfect.
There you go.
The rest you had to cover with.
I've heard that.
How did you get that way? Because I made too many turns on this other one.
You taking a video?
Right?
You don't have to have a lot of room up there. I've got.
You're on YouTube. Are you on YouTube?
Anything to bring back.
Well, that's the game. That's the plan.
That is the plan.
Yeah, we have this one where we didn't have anything but donuts. So we got, you know, because like I said, back in October, right, I cleaned everything out. Some I threw away, and some I just sold to make more room. You know, so I can pack that thing to go out.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
This thing right here.
Yeah.
There's 300 questions though. And I think there's only 40 that you have to have.
What I did, which was much more difficult when I got my ticket, is I made flashcards.
You made what?
Flashcards.
Flashcards, yeah.
And you play a game.
That's right.
You know, there's something weird about this one.
Find out where we are.
Solar panel?
125.
Out of what, right?
With that charger. A buddy of mine makes those, and
It's like a power station. Everything.
or you can charge computers and you got your
Things like that. I wouldn't expect it.
Yeah.
You have a.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I have an extended family.
A local repair shop. You know what? I'm gonna bring the schematic down. So you circle everything for me. You can tell me. You went to like a print shop and they added in life. That's smart.
Well, I had cataracts when I did that. I got rid of the cataracts.
You still use your thing on the wall.
How long ago did you get rid of the cataract?
15, 16.
Did it make a big difference?
Okay. The blues were bluer, the reds were redder, and the greens were about the same. Instead of the two
I'll take like $80. I just bought that from Plant City.
trabaja
It was like one day.
papá.
Brand new. That can come used. Hi, Mr. Rod. How you making out over there? Point ask. Real good.
Electric guy, electric person over here, any electric person that you know. I got to buy to sell all this electric equipment, all this electric stuff.
I just got that Robert Ramirez and Fernando Laura. The reason I bought it was that I wanted to see if my MFJs were.
You looking for a 2 meter?
I don't know this 2 meter. I don't even, not at all, sir.
I was gonna say, here's a 2 meter.
I ain't fancy on 2 meters, probably 25.
That kind of be working for you. And so they said, well, we'll get back with you because I do that. I'm like, yeah, no problem. Did it for 3 years, got them up and running. Within 6 months, I had 80 of their keys. They had 100.